Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share your TikTok profile with someone else who wants to find you on TikTok or wants to get your credentials for a simple reference. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app, and I'm going to show you that there are actually three different ways to do it. First thing, you want to go on the lower right corner and hit on your profile icon, and then you want to go over here, and under your profile there is a small button. It says share profile. If you click on this button, share profile, you're going to get this option. So first, if you have someone next to you, right, they can simply open their camera and they can read the barcode. So the barcode will simply, the QR code will simply forward them to your account if they have the TikTok app installed on their platform. The second option is that you can click on the link over here, and the third option, you can send your profile in the messages on Snapchat, messages on Messenger, messages on Instagram. The second option is if you come over here, right, and simply hold your finger on your username. Okay, this simply will allow you to copy your username, your handle, and you can paste the handle in the message with someone else. This is very easy, guys, very simple, and usually works pretty well. The third option, of course, is to come over here, go on settings and click share profile, this option over here. And then you will be able to share your profile with all these people over here. This is usually for people that are on TikTok already. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.